and medium rare. Ang grabe. Sarap. The birthday boy. Birthday boy. Yeah. Let's celebrate! So, ayan. Nagpa-reserve kami dito sa Dillingers. For appetizer, syempre, ang aming favorite, pumpkin soup. And then, ita-try namin tong onion soup. So, pero favorite talaga natin, mama, yung ano na. Alright. Dalawang ribeye steak yung kinuha namin. So, meron sila dito yung 14 ounce. Ito yon. And medium rare. Ang grabe. Sarap. And then, ito naman yung 19 ounce naman. Ooh. Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa aking anak at sa aking asawa. Magkasabay po talaga sila ng birthday. Kasama din namin syempre si Mama. So, I got watermelon, si Mama cucumber, then calamansi naman si Little Miss O. Then, steak rice, ribeye steak, steak rice, truffle pasta, another ribeye steak, and then yung mga juice namin. Then kanina nag-appetizer na kami. Nakalimutan ko, order pa pala ako ng saffron salmon. Grabe. Sorry, ang dami. Alam yung favorite namin dito sa Dillingers. Actually, yung last birthday din nila dito kami kumain. Okay. Happy birthday! Birthday! Thanks! Yay! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Cheers!
Cheers! Happy birthday, anak. I love you. And sana pag 18th birthday mo, sweet ka pa rin kay daddy. Ano message mo kay daddy?
Birthday?
Uy, pare. Happy birthday, pare.
Happy birthday, Daddy. I hope every time you go to work, you are always safe. And I hope God will always guide you to your choices.
Come gift ni daddy sa'yo. Happy birthday, anak.
Thanks, ba?
Anong ulam mo dyan?
Pichikam.
Pichikam.
I have a gift for you.
May gift ka rin sa akin. Uy, exchange gift. Christmas na ba?
Tagang gastos niya.
Sa'yo
Pera
to?
niya.
Pera mo? Oh my... Wow! Wag yung chinela. Galing sa'yo to?
Yeah. Oh my, there's stickers. Oh my God. Di ba I always told you I wanted to... Oh my God. Oh my God.
Thank you,
Look at this. This is so cute. Oh, I'm gonna cry.